Call me hard on the ratings if you want, but hey, it is what it is, man. If you want better, do better. I can't give you a 10 out of 10 if you ain't on 10. You feel me? I can't give you a 10 out of 10 if you ain't on 10. Hey, what's going on, family? It's brother Andrew back again with another video, and today we'll be doing an update on a purchase that I made from BackMarket. Cue the intro. Months ago, I decided to upgrade my phone and I went the refurbished route, and I end up making a purchase off of BackMarket. I just wanted to give you guys an update after using the phone for a couple of months and let you guys know if I still recommend BackMarket and how my experience has been using a product off of BackMarket. BackMarket does have 3 tiers of products that you can purchase from them. You could purchase products that's listed in fair condition, good condition, or excellent condition. And I personally opted for the excellent condition iPhone, and it exceeded my expectations. It truly was in excellent condition, like no scratches, no marks, no defects. Everything functioned perfectly as advertised. I have no complaints on the functionality. I did an unboxing and a quick review, and if you haven't checked out that video, I'll leave a card up here so you can check that out. I feel like I purchased a brand new phone. That's been my experience. Everything works perfectly on the phone. Like the camera works good, the speakers work good, the screen has absolutely no scratches or anything on it. I'm very pleased with my purchase. I'm a content creator, so I'm taking photos, taking videos, and I consume a decent amount of content as well. Everything worked good, man. Like the screen responded perfectly. I use my iPhone for watching videos, watching YouTube videos. So I've been giving it a run to, test its limits, and it's held up perfectly. I have no issues with my device. My battery health has remained exactly the same. Everything worked just like a brand new iPhone, and I pay like half of the price. Yes, I understand it was refurbished, but it just don't feel like it's refurbished to me. Like it feels like I've been using a brand new phone. When they say excellent, like it feels brand new. As far as battery, I'm getting much more screen on time than I was getting out of my iPhone SE 2020. So I have no complaints in that department. My experience and my unboxing may not be exactly identical to your experience or your unboxing, but for me, I don't really be tripping. It's like, long as I get what I paid for, I'm straight. My phone battery life arrived at 84%. Me paying a few extra dollars to upgrade from a good product to an excellent product, I expected better battery health. My battery health came at 84%. It's maintained at 84%. It's not declined at all. But I'm looking at it like, man, 84, that's a B. That's a B. That's good. It ain't no A, man. So when you sell me something, you talking about excellent, man, I wanted my phone health to be around that 89, 90 range. That way I know I can ensure that I'm gonna get longevity out of the product. Not saying that I won't get that, but you're upcharging me, saying this is the cream of the crop iPhone 12 Pros out here. And I would beg to differ with the battery health starting at 84%. I docked BackMarket a little bit for the presentation and the shipping. It wasn't cutting it. They was just like, nah, bruh. Like, here. Like, you know how somebody give you something, but they just throw it at you. Like, they just toss it at you. You know what I'm saying? You feel kind of like, darn, like, you all right? Like, that's how I felt they packaged the phone and shipped it out. They didn't even give me a SIM card extraction tool. So I had to, you know what I'm saying, I had to improvise. You know what I'm saying? That's like an extra piece that it didn't have to be. Like, just give me one. Like, I'm gonna need to get in there. Like, just give me one. Like, that come with the phone. But apparently not. The original score that I gave to BackMarket, which if you haven't watched the original review and unboxing, I'll leave a card up here so you guys can check that out. But that score that I gave to BackMarket was an 8 out of 10. And I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, man. I'm gonna stand on that. I know in my original video, I said I may bump them up, but I can't do it. It can't be. It just can't be. They deserve a 8 out of 10. And I'm gonna tell you why. Upon further review, I can't give you a 10 out of 10 if you ain't on 10. You feel me? I can't give you a 10 out of 10 if you ain't on 10. It is a good phone. I get the new phone experience. I'm having a great experience utilizing the phone. It's all it's cracked up to be with the camera, especially for me creating videos and things like that. But it's the little things that count. You know what I'm saying? Like, I do recommend BackMarket. Definitely. I will be utilizing them again. But when it comes to getting excellent products, I just personally wish that since I paid a little extra money to have a phone listed in excellent condition, that I would receive the phone with a little better battery health than 84%. But that's really a minor thing in the grand scheme of things, because everything else is like fire. Like, like I'm definitely gonna use BackMarket again. I may try a good level product next. Since I'm only gonna get an 84% battery health with excellent, I may opt for the good version to see, how that stacks up against the excellent tier products. I don't think I would have minded as much if I would have purchased the phone in the good category and it came and it was 84%. But because, I paid the few extra dollars to get a premium device that was listed as excellent, I would have liked that scene battery health in the 89 to 90% range at least, if you're listing it as an excellent condition phone. And that's my only gripe with it. But other than that, man, I'm satisfied. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give you another chance. But hey, shout out to BackMarket, man. I've really had a pleasant experience, and I do recommend them. And I suggest you check them out. It's a great alternative from purchasing new. I always like to save a couple bucks, so check them out, man. That right there is my updated review of my purchase of an iPhone 12 Pro from BackMarket. And if you're in the market for a new used device, man, check out BackMarket. And I'm pretty sure you can find you something. You can save a couple bucks. And check my description box, and I'll leave a link down there where if it's your first time purchase from BackMarket, you can receive $10 off your first purchase. And I'll receive a little something as well. So check that out. But anyway, man, if you feel like you got any value from this video, hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel, man, and leave a comment, man. Let me know, what I'm saying, let me know what y'all want to see next, what I'm saying, so I can keep making this fire content for y'all. Peace.